Howdy, I'm here with the 500 and I'm here with a bunch of the parts for mostly the front end. But what I'm going to do is I really need to install the pattern selector. So first things first, I'm going to go up top and get that pattern selector and the lever on. And to be clear, this lever that I referred to before is called the bite amplitude lever. And that is the pattern selector. Okay, I'm here topside to get this pattern selector on, and it's very, very simple to do. All I got to do is put it on like that. But anyway, that is in now, and so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the bite amplitude adjustment lever. And that's very simple, but it has to be put on from the inside. It won't fit through the, from through here. So that is on there. Where's my little screwdriver? Well, there, I got it seated with my fingers. There, you can see there now. Just tightening that up. Good. So that is in number 3. That is in position 3. Not 1, not 5, 3. And that's good enough. So there we are. That's in, and the lever is on. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for visiting. Next time, what we're going to do is we're going to get into the needle bar vibrating bracket, and we're going to start getting the front end taken apart and put back together, or if it's already apart, then we'll put it back together. But I really want to spend some time next time on the needle bar vibrating bracket, and then we'll get back up top with the cam stack and the followers and the indicator pins and the stitch selector arm shaft and all that stuff. So we're going to be working on this machine probably for another 3 or 4 videos at least, which I'm really enjoying. I hope you guys are too. You guys and gals are too. But anyway, thanks again, and hey, listen, have fun, take care of yourselves and your machines and your crafts and all that, and I hope we see you again real soon. Ciao.